a while ago I come live and I forgot to say yesterday I went and try something. When I tried something yesterday and put it on only me, so only me did I see it a while ago. You know the style? Yes, man. Claudette a while ago. Money. A while ago today I will say you come live for fans and Dan Parks. Come in. What's up, cuz? What's up? And me say what a bumbo club me started live and nobody now come on to me and say yo what is? Me think drop. Me think drop me. You see me I deal with me think drop me. So me say I coulda what this. You see me more on the like and share because yo here one now quick share principal what the choppings. Yeah, big up my father, I'm there right you know. This is my father in a real life, right? Me not tell you about the umbrella sex my mother. Richard, you know the style. Mommy, yes now. Me see one look a video go around with foota. Foota ya again. Foota ya again, man? Foota ya again. Wanna share this here, man? Hola. Quick. At this, what the chop? Yo. Y'all pray with me? What that one wearing? Alright, you see this now? This is a Alistair boxers, you know? I'm feeling cocky today. I am feeling very cocky today. Anyway, yeah, the chop. Back to the segment. Foota, I see a video going around with you saying that you need some form of explanation. Why you seeing both girl have 2 or 3? I mean, I don't know how much icky you say. Pan him body. Foota, all me back job. Foota, hold on, Foota, coming back, your ugly blood clot. I come into you fucking pest, you. Foota, your mouth big like blood clot floorboard. You understand me, dude? Your mouth big like one of them fucking, you know, mommy? Your mouth wouldn't have a shape of mommy. Your bottom lip of mommy and your top lip of mommy. You understand me? Foota you need for low blood clot people life alone. And that's why blood clot Aishana left you thinking Ross. Yeah. Me can tell you why Aishana left you. You not please your girl, say your girl left you for a man we go please her. All your boys Foota. You know if you come and ask nobody about why icky de pan body, how much you put pan body already, boy? I be a brown girl you like, you know. Them the girl sit down in your wipe them pussy in your face all the while. And you want to come yes or no Foota. Come ask the big runaway richer than you. You have more money than you know. You have more money than you know. Ask him why him have a icky pan him woman body. Foota you need to say your body man. Hey Foota? Hey Foota? Oh, you don't want to see what icky upon one cocky head? Eh? Upon one cocky head you don't want to see man put on icky? Move your bumbo clot, brother. Girl forget icky upon them body here. So I mean if I feel me girl me go suck and pan it round there. You're going like I'm body holy man did a lick out. All you Foota. Some of you blood clot Jamaican man I want me to talk to. Not only you waste man Foota. You alone. You understand me I did? Brother, you don't feel like you can just get up every day. When you have your woman, you just get up and push hood in her hole every day. Just give her cocky every day. And that'll go keep her happy for the rest of her life, Foota. Well, go on proper business. You know the style. Remember this week, you know. I want to come watch me interview with proper business. Yes, man. This is the life of the Don. Me I go make sure to make sure. When you go on my fan page, you know go see it, man, and be things and me go talky things them and them style there. You feel me? Yes, Foota. Foota, this is the reason why I shanna leave you. Cause you not put no icky on her body, Foota. Foota, cause you not put no icky on her body, Foota. Foota sucking pussy alone can't help you, Foota. You understand me? Me suck pussy too, you know. But me do other things and suck pussy like kiss up her navel, kiss up her knee them, kiss up him foot in leg and you understand me I deal with bite her on her side. Put two look icky this and right this and so. You know, foota, you think say you can get up every day, but you go tell girl, boy, say, yo, you go shub hood in a girl belly and sitting. Girl want affection to suck with foota. Foota and every man want fuck body like you in a foota. So no man now go feel a wave them see a icky on a girl body. And you never know if it's a threesome, the man and him girl a blood clot. Duh? And the girl put a blood clot icky on the body because we love the freaky lifestyle. No so? No so? Eh? In foota? You don't love freaky lifestyle, you never do a threesome yet. You never get a threesome yet. Your life sad. Every day me have to get up and listen to you as a man that's a chat like a girl. Pussy, you not make no sense. Body boy, you not make no sense. Post soul. What you want? What you want the man for do? Make you please him, girl for him? Foota. Foota, I want to tell you, you're not no cocky strength. Because all your girl, no girl not stay with your foota. No girl not stay with you. You can't have a problem with you saying broke your foota. Foota, you broke like a dog. You understand? You can talk to you seeing money. If you see want to put 30 keep on him body, you can't do it. You can't do it though, because you're just a regular bowers. Them man that you see, and then if you have a classy boss as a bowers, so you mean me suck my girl pussy too? You can't tell me nothing. The man must suck him girl pussy. Yes, what that? Me say. He's just a regular bowers. Him is a rich bowers. You understand me? Money in the man thing, foota. You feel me I deal with? Boy, you lie down pan back and ask question. Who the fuck is you? If you ask, eh? Hard you did a go on, man. Must. Hey, foota. Some days me see a big blood clad habeng does a open and attack. He fucking piss me off in a dog. Shut your big think mouth, B. Shut up, man. You chat too much, foota. Foota, yes. I said it. You fucking chat too much. Every day you get up, suck with foota, all you do is chat. But some people don't really give a fuck about you neither to you know, foota. Foota, you a shit house, man. We know. You are the biggest and nuisance from bumbuckler social media. You just get up and chat too much, brother. You stink like a dog, yeah, man. Cock quick. You hear that? Foota, let me tell you this. You see, one time me release my song next week, and the song I play, if me hear you play my song, man, me poison myself, man. Me hate you, you know, foota. Foota, nobody no hate you like how me hate you. Yeah, man. Me wonder which day you plan for us use some gasoline, throw it on yourself and catch your blood clot self on fire and run around in one studio so till the whole building burn down with you. In foota, when you go drink some grammar zone? In foota, when you go plan for drink some grammar zone? Foota. Who want to know, you know? Foota. You see me? When you go name some rat poison? When? Make you know. When you go drink some blood clot, Levox and them, they sitting there where they use and kill the weed them in the grass. When you go fucking do that for we? You see me? When you go do that? Me say foota, you see when my song come out next week? A madman thing, you know. You don't know me thing, I got very shot. You foota, I never hear you play. Me poison myself, foota. Me not like you, you know. You call you chat too much, and that is the truth. You understand me? What the fuck you get out of this? You know, say you not get bookings again, foota. You foota? Because nobody not rate your foota. Because you chat too much, foota. You see me, foota? Foota, where you get out of it chatting? You foota? If, alright, you want bumble, you saying can answer you. Say, alright then, this is the reason why me put the icky on the body. How that gonna help you, foota? You foota? Foota, how that gonna help you, foota? You foota? Foota, that gonna make you stop sleeping in a barbershop, foota? That gonna make you stop borrow people US money and can't give them it back, foota? You foota? That gonna stop you from spend time with your kids, them, foota? It will stop you from being a workless baby father, foota. Foota? Foota, you know, sister, all we tired of you now, man. Yeah, man, foota. Foota, me say, all we just wait for the day if it come out in and you see you poison yourself. Oh, hang yourself, man. Go blood clot, hang yourself, foota. So tell me, yeah, me like the weed. Foota, me not think you about the weed, you know. Because you not hold no meds, dog. Mr. Foota, you not hold no blood clot meds. You just come a foreign, come bunny crack like a regular blood clot Yankee them. Why you, as a Jamaican selector, have to come up here and turn a crackhead? Why you not stop smoking Marley them, Foota? Stop smoking Marley them, Foota. You see me I deal with? Stop wonder if the man put the icky on the body or not. You a put icky on body, Foota? Eh, Foota? How it concern you, sir, Foota? Foota? Foota, you still a so good, but you have all kind of things to say about people. Who openly gay, Foota? Why you not go who openly tell me which man a fuck out your whole, Foota? And that you want to know. We don't want to know if you see and put the icky them that me that put icky on her body too. Foota, you just beg say and you put the icky them there, Foota. Foota, you just beg say and you put the fucking icky them on the girl body. He burn you, man. Eh? Could you blood clot too? Hey, nigger. Let me ask you now one question. I mean, alone fed up with Foota? Foota, you're not a selector. I don't know. Boy, Foota, I saw me, I forgot deal with you. You understand me? Read the nutrition facts. You see me? Yeah. You understand me? No GMO. Me eat healthy Foota. Foota. I'm me a talk to you, Foota. Look on what talk to you. Look at what talk to you. Foota, look at what talk to you, man. I'm me, Prettii than I talk to you. I'm me. The school, man. Go the school. Go catch yourself a fire, man. Eh? Yo, Howard, let me tell you this, dog. The whole of we are big people, yes, dog. And you know, so we tired of Foota for show, dog. Yeah, my youth. Foota chat too much, man. Foota, right now you don't get bookings again for go nowhere, Foota. Yeah, man. Nobody now give you foot. Stress out, Foota. Foota. Me stress out. Chrissy, me stress out. Me stress out. Foota, when you see me there, I talk to you, and I'm so brief, you must know. You know, I'm so brief, me there. I drink lemonade. Yeah, man. Alright, me will tell you a thing now. Foota coming like Pampers. You understand me? You know if you're shit in a Pampers, you have to dash with that. You hear me? Foota a long time you have to get dash with, you know. When me mean dash with people for tap here, boy. Yeah, when I mean Prettii than I talk to you, man. Look. Cool now, brother, cool now. Listen, cool. All me tell you is cool. No, you're going to chat too much. Foota. All me tell you is cool. You're still going to chat too much, dog. Cool, man. Because you still a chat too much on the internet, dog. Cool. I mean, Prettii than I talk to you, dog. No other. You coming like a Pampers, brother. A shit in a yarn dash you, man. Foota, all you. If me da go and dance and then me hear say you automatically go play, me dash way close and me buy Foota. Foota, why the fuck me want to go listen to one transvestite? I play music for me in Foota. Jamaica have the biggest hate for Batman, Foota, and you there on the internet a chat so much, you chat more than she be, you know? Eh? You chat more than Happy Corner, man. You Happy Corner, brother? Eh? No, me kinda know now, you know. Me like how the Batman them take time and reveal himself. Foota. You is a big idiot, brother. Me never see a man shaped like blood clot asphalt. So you black and just blood clot. The people just drive on your bumper clot. Eh? You're sick all the way too much. All that the girl that will go up on Spice stage the other day, but When Spice say, who is your man? And you say, foota. Girl, you should have shame. You big lesbian blood clot. You know, she say, it's a girl. You're there with a blood clot, butch. It's a butch you're there with. And sometimes it coming like one femme, you know. Yes, man, you is a bitch, man. Yes, foota. LGBT to the world to fear thing, boy. You understand me? Your mouth coming like diarrhea. You just the Lego your thinking bumbo clot mouth everywhere you go, foota. Foota, me make sure name put you in a me caption cause me no want you say. I put your name for views. No, man. Me tired for this, yeah, man. Me say, look here now. Look here. You see you, foota, you run happy corner. You run them hot for them money, man. With the chatting. With the chatting. With the whole heap of chatting. Yeah, man, me say with the whole heap of chatting where you have a go on there, foota. Foota, how if bold sucky girl body jam put icky on you, how that bother your foota? Foota, tell me now. Foota, wait. Are your bed them borrow if you come put an icky there? You can't buy your same bed. You can't buy your same house. You can't buy your same girl. You can't fuck your same girl or you see a fuck, brother. Hey, man, if you put hickey on the body for that, make him feel good. Don't listen to foota. Don't listen to foota. Foota is a nuisance, man. Let me tell you where you're coming like. You see like how this is 12% of juice? Are you that? Are you that, foota? You're 12% of a man, pussy hole. You look a fucking undercover fish, you. You're queer. Bitch. You're a queer. Stupid little bitch. You looking like a real queer hoe bitch. You know, sister, you can never be like Boom Boom. You can't be like Boom Boom. Yeah? You know why? World Boom no go on like you be. Is it me be? I'm me a talk to you, foota. I'm me a foota. I'm me a talk to you. You can't be Boom Boom. Cause Boom Boom not chat, sir. If a man want put icky pan girl titty body side or blood clot neck of him girl, make him do it. You, all the girl will come up on stage about foota or man. You like a fucking penguin. You. Are you give foota hype? Because foota na hype for what day now you come call back in here make people realize it still exists, you know. Other friend in regular day-to-day blogging, we not see foota like that, you know. If you want to see foota, you have to go up on him blog page. Over foota hype music. Over there. The personal blog of foota. No foota that? Foota you body man. Dog, you want big blood clot body man in a man. Me not tell you about this, yeah, man. Me say he's 12% of a man, foota. Big up blood clot you seeing. Do anything will make your girl happy, my friend. Do anything will make you and your girl happy. No follow foota. Because you can't see say foota na no girl. Because when the girl say a foota hype of fear, man, him run like Betty milk. A pussy all that. You know, sister, one chance vestide, man. Foota? When the girl say, my man name foota hype. Foota ran. Foota, why you never want your man thump you down? You never want your man kick you down in a building, foota? You never want your man to say you cheat on him with the opposite sex. You look a fish product, you. You're caviar, dog. You're caviar, you. Sushi. You body boy. You coming like a tin of blood class sardine. Fish product. You boy. Every day. I wonder to myself. What woman I do with all man like you, foota? I better than come do with man like me, because me a woman too. Just like me, you are a bitch in a foota. We all know this. You understand me? Want to tell you a thing now. You see nowadays, foota, you make enough man and a girl, you know? Yes, foota, I said it. Congratulations, foota. World forgot there are you are the blood clot organization for that. Hmm? Hmm? You foota? Oh, you mean the man never put icky pan in girl body? I feel your girl foota? Are your sister? And I people in bedroom. Foota. If icky never in a caption, why you taking the man thing so? Why you look on the girl body so deep? Foota? You foota? Foota, you know say your mama man. Are you finna your mama man grand man? Yeah. Mr. Foota, wait, Foota, wait. I'm me a talk to you. Foota, I'm me, Prettii Donna talk to you. Me. Yeah, man. You make me job hard, youth. Me is a registered blogger. Go look for my page. Yes, Foota. I nowadays you not get views because you want selector Foota. You get blood clot views Foota just because he's a blogger Foota. Like me Foota. Foota, you see this is my personal page. My personal page. Me have my page where me do my blogging over where you see the 40 and the 60,000 and the 500k them over there so. Yeah. Me is a registered blogger named Prettii Dan. And you, batty boy, selector boy, you make me thing look hard. Every day you get up, blog. Why you not gonna give something else a try, youth? Go ask some Batman movie or something. The new Batman word not come out yet. What go on? Jamaica gay community. And that me want your blood clot show off in name, boy. You understand me I deal with? Man a finger me one-on-one. So your show off in name, batty boy. Man playing with the tip of my dick. So you show off in name, waste man. You see me? If I no man a suck me would me no want you. So you show off in name. Yo, Foota, you know what the fuck up part about it? You have to realize that no, we not take your thing them personal, you know, dog. We not take your thing them personal, you know, Foota. Foota, we not take them personal. We take them as comedy, dog, like a blogger like me. Like when me talk or me make people laugh and them thing there. And that we take you as a big comedian. Me there cuss Foota. What's that? Yo, what's that? Selector Foota. Foota and a selector again. Foota is a registered gay man who give a lot of trouble in Jamaica. They simply blood clot Foota like how this is simply lemonade. Yeah, man. Foota. Everybody else make me drink rum. When me a blog. When me a deal with you, Foota, me deal with you with just lemonade. Simply. Because me like to deal with you. I don't want nobody think me junk when me a cuss you, know, Foota. Foota, me a talk to you. A Prettii Dan. You hear that? Majority of Jamaica don't like you. Alright, Foota, let me tell you from when me not like you from. Because I know when you think of from what day me not like you still in a long time me not like you. You see me? Me should big up yourself, my boy. Pretty style. Me remember one time me watch a viral video with you and you get this slim black girl out of the crowd and it's like you did clean out the whole of your fucking cupboard in your kitchen and thing. And you call up the girl and you give her a couple tin mackerel, couple tin of this, couple quick. You see one time, me look into it, me say then, Foota mama man, if you take out the whole of your blood clot grocery them out of your house and I got dead for you hungry enough to give one somebody in a dance. Because you say you pass your place with people, Foota. In Foota, and now you want to come tell me about man have icky and body. At least he never did a disrespect the girl. He might make sweet love to she. Something where you can blood clot the footer. You hear that footer hype? Ease yourself, Foota. Ease yourself, Foota, because me a big man. Me a big man. And you a big girl. Hear me now. A friend them the days I not like you. And nowadays, you just step on the internet and chat worse and just make the world hate you. You feel me I deal with? First of all, you cannot talk about Usain Bolt. You hear who for name you call? He man have a fucking statue in a different country from where you come from. He not come from the country where you have a statue, you know. Foota, the youngest statue they want to put with you is you bend over one man the back of you, fuck you. No, Raja man, nobody hold it down, laugh low. Eh? You, Foota. All you? That's why your shirt then not sell, Foota. Nobody no want to walk around with fear name upon them. Because you want fucking fish. Yeah, man. You are fish. If me walk around with the name Foota upon me, that means me a bigger waste man for you. You feel me, David? You are waste man, Foota. You know, you say you are straight, heterosexual, and sit. You know how much straight people not rate you? A fucking true. Right now, me think you need for the on the news. The most hated Jamaican, a Foota. Are you? Foota, when you see them people, you shit in a Foota. You see, when you see them come and view your shit, me go tell you a thing. Nobody feel like say you then like, and they mix up, then come for cause you're Sheila. Them know so when they come over for your page, it's just another batty man on the internet with mix up. With people business. Ah. People business. You waste man blood clad Foota. You understand me? You understand? You understand? Yeah man, like and share because right now more everybody for here. Foota. You're sick with too much man. Ya man or ya girl. We don't know from what you because you just run competition with the bitch them. You understand me? No, me say you have a tongue in your body hole. Me see that. Because two tongue you having a Sheila. You understand me? Yes, Sheila. Huh? Me know Foota a fish like me doesn't know. Let me tell you, from me see him with the girl in I dance with the Tid Mackie. Lati walk on. Yeah, man, I know see a body man long time Foota. Nobody never did have to come contact me on my shoulder and say, Pretty Dan, you know, say Foota a waste man and body man. Nobody never have to tell me that. Me know that for me fucking self. Because it just take a waste man like you for do things that you do enough for Foota. It just take a waste man for do the activity them what you do Foota. Every time me tell you think a joke, you know. Every time me tell you think a joke. Me no pick pan you pick Foota. You pick pan your blood class self because you always draw yourself in a mystery. You draw yourself in a sass. You draw yourself in a mix up. You draw yourself in a girl talk. You a bitch. You girl. Dirty stinking girl Foota. Pussy hole me no want to see you no more man clothes, you know. You boy, you see me done a dress like man already and I do manly shit. You go put on some blood clot G-string for me na Foota. Foota, next time I see you in a body man, make sure say you have on girl clothes, you know. We respect you more if you just come out to we and be straight, dog. Just come tell we straight, youth. Just come tell we straight say you're a body man, dog. I know nothing. I know one body man out here, my friend. My friend. I know one body man there, boy, yeah. The LGBT community, we welcome you with open fucking arms. They look out for them one another. That's why you run, you come foreign. That's why you come up here living at the barber shop because you can't live your body man life at Jamaica in peace. Man are playing on your body like turntable. You can't live down there in peace. That? You Foota your body will a drain you if you wear always every blood clot month like girl. Cause you look like you're there on your period now in a Sheila. Sheila, you're there on your blood clot period. I call my name but who put icky on body jaw. Sheila? Cause you love curious, you know. You love cuss. Come with it now. Come with it, bitch. I just want to make everybody know say I don't respect you as a fucking selector. You figure play in every Batman party where Jamaica keep. Me say me never go in a one gay party yet. But me know you go already. Me know Foota say you go Batman party already go play. Tired of you. What you call you say name for again? I hit more on no. You have more money than you saying? You saying for put Ikip and Batty. Me put Ikip and Batty. You want like a Batty hold me and lick out. No matter. See me like how me suck pussy me just, you know, turn her around and, you know, kiss up her cheeks of her booty. Kiss up the cheeks, rub down her booty and, you know, kiss up her back. It's called foreplay. Eh? What two play you do? Pussy hole. Foreplay, it don't mean take out your hood and shove it in somebody's belly. Foreplay is caressing down your woman and biting her all about on her fucking body. You know, Foota, you just show me say you can't fuck. You know do how to seduce and really rub down and caress down a woman's body. You need to push me hood in her. Yeah, you are some years and a man from Cherry Garden did a fuck him from long time, but he did a try to hold it down and a boy my gangster. Let me tell you something, Foota. Me tired of you, me tired of fully bad. You are bring one artist who are going to never ever bust Foota. Foota, fully bad now ever boss. Alright. You see, because he is a mama man, Foota. And then you have an artist round, you know. And then through him this side of you, him attract the mama man style them what you have. So we know you're nothing from the two on the count of mama man. Nobody not gonna ever buy one fully bad song. You understand me? Hold them here, hold them here, hold them here. Never ever will fully bad boss. Just believe me. Because you, Foota, you're waste, man. Right? And fully bad, him is the fucking small version of you, but he's also a waste, man. Foota? What happened? Nobody know book you for go play one dance somewhere far, like over Pakistan or over India or you know can you go Israel or no, you them places too kind of good for you. You want to go Middle East, you want to go over there in a one barrel. You want to pack you up in a one barrel, Foota, and ship you go Korea. You know? Make them make you over back and stamp made in Korea upon you. Probably you a little better. But I don't think Jamaica hate Batman, so you still there on the internet attack. Foota? Cock quick, man. I'm the cock quick boss. I'm here to talk to you, cock quick boss. I am the cock quick boss. Pretty style now, Foota. You're 12% man like how this a 12% juice. You Foota? This don't look good, man. Yo, alright, pretty style. Me I gotta tell you one next thing to what I want to talk about. Which one of a girl fight over, man? I know for now I go say no, you know. Me nah ever fight over no man, but you no fight over man already, you know. No for no girl, all of no girl fight over man. You all of no. You know? Remember so no can't cuss me. Remember so no can't blood clad cuss me. Remember so me can't. Yo, let me show you a style. Me not show nothing, Stacey. Anyway, Stacey ready to come fight over for you like a piece of man, you do. Stacey, you fight over man? Uncle me alone? She lie your fuck, Stacey fight over man already. Stacey, you always a fight over man, don't? Go for your side for the dresser, come give me. Hey, come look at them. Let me tell you nothing now. Me fight over man already. Ja, big up yourself here now. Yeah, myself, hey, my blood clot. Remember one night that I'm coming, I'm telling you, you know, when me a fuck man, me never have a man for myself yet. When you own a man of God, that's not fun. Yes, sir.
Hi, peoples.
Good eyes. Tell them some
Hi, beautiful peoples. We'll fight over man go, eh?
Fight over the blood clot.
And if we fight over, no, sir.
Me a fight, hey.
But me a fight over the Dan, what you mean? What if we stop that?
Because I give good dick. You see that?
Good.
Well, last time I beat out the whole of this a pussy, man, the whole night.
My ball tell me.
The girl jump on her belly. She up on her knees in my bed. And I say, yo, Dan, me go show.
Babes, come on, babe.
Babe, chill out, dog. You see me? I know my bed blood clot. You see me, I deal with all the shit. If you come off of the bed, you understand me? I just one thing though, you're not gonna see any stain because I don't fuck woman with stainy pussy. You understand me I deal with? Yeah. You don't want to see, you don't want to see me strap? Tell me if you don't want to see me strap. You don't want to see me strap? Wait. Me I'm gonna show them me strap on. Babe, go! Yeah? Babe! Stacey, which part of my cocky there? What? Where there? Every time I take off my thing and put it down, yeah. You lost it, babe. Wait I do all this, sir. Stacey, carry it, come give me right now. Every time she hide it, what? What? Stacey! Stacey, which part the cocky there? What? Babes, it not there, say, yeah, man. Yo, you sweat at me use me thing, babe? You sweat at me use me thing? Yo! Babe, more find me thing, babe. You cannot take up. Oh, I'm find it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. I ate. See that? Yeah, man. And I think I said go. Yo, the love it fucker, yeah, man. Foota, I that your bad mind, my fa. Foota, that your bad mind, my fa. Big old, babes, so school, I'm go for my scissors, babe. And that your bad mind, my fa, Foota. My cocky big and bend up in my bum buckler, boxers and them thing there. Yeah, man. You see? I beat out the whole of your wall with that like a 7 pipe there. The whole of 7 pipe. Last night, Stacey ride off a 7 pipe for me, you know, because I saw me like for getting in the mood first, you know, ladies. Ladies, you see how the Dan like for get into the mood? I like to take it slow. You understand me? You see it? Yeah, man. My dad, where are they with my... Hey, when I easy. Oh, they know say me on the best blogger pa here, you know. When me no come on Facebook, you know, keep. Oh, true, man. But you see it, and even over my fan page, me there, you know. On the real page. What you think? Yo. No, you're not Orlando. You see how you're not Orlando, you're a joker, dog. You know from when you come link me, dog. You big up my cousin, you know. Yeah. You, Eddie Smooth. Yeah, the girl. Hey. Good morning, Stacy.
Good morning.
Hey, Stacy. Hey.
Good morning.
Stacy, I like when I show on the pipe, you know. But don't worry, ladies. You know when I'm going to start.
When I show it for me alone for see.
Shut up, baby. I'm going to start give you guys strip tease, okay? I want the girls them to know when the done is going to have the strip tease, where I strip down to my dick. You understand me? Boxers come off, all of that, and I get to see all of the sexy. Yeah, man, because remember, you know, me can't do them bumbleclot celebrity wine there, you know. Get it up, you know, I say, you know. You see me? Go on a fucking strip tease. You understand me? When you know, I want to see it, you know. For I did something more for you. Yeah, man. Me nah give a Stacy sitting if she take it, tell me. Me, I will. Dog, you know, dog, when you get some half time, dog, you need to fucking link up, dog. In a real life, babe. Yeah. Yes, man, Richard, you know me love you like a cook food, yeah, man. Yes, man. Do you feel me? Hey, one thing me certain. Let me tell you this. Life should be about fun. Let me tell you this now. Me no write down no script and come here so come tell you, you know. Like or say yo, me plan to do this. Me never do that yet. Me just come by here and come talk with first blood clot thing will come from my mind. Yeah, I'm real. You understand me? Me not go grow. Enough people not go like say yo, oh, you're a lesbian, you're supposed to keep your life quiet. First of all, you are heterosexual, keep your blood clot life quiet. If me can't kiss my gal a road, you know if you kiss your gal a road. Keep everything in our blood clot bedroom then. You see me, gal? A man. Me no want to see no man and woman a walk on the wall now and then. The world is a free world. I mean, I like how some people make you feel like it don't free, boy. You free, boy, Stacy? Me not see so. Because you have some people, let me tell you this though. If me see one more round of blood clot come to me with the Bible, you see? I want one more round. Yo, Prettii Dan, you need to give your life to the Lord. The Lord is calling you, my sister. And I want you to go before Him and take the ones that follow you with you. The Lord, He will save you, my child. And in the bumbleclad, yo, listen. At the time for that, yeah.